Imagine sitting on your back porch with this as your view. I've been doing this for 20 years. We've never had a property with this size acreage available so close to town. Hi there, I'm Chad May, manager at Sawmill Ridge. Let me show you what makes this property truly special. Tucked away in the heart of the Texas Hill Country, Sawmill Ridge offers 10 to 20 plus acre home sites with sweeping panoramic views, towering oak trees, and the peace and privacy of the country. This is a rare chance to own land in one of the most desirable areas in Central Texas at a great value. San Saba is a really cute little town. It's the county seat. There's everything you need there for your day-to-day living. San Saba was founded around a sawmill and a grist mill years ago. There's a beautiful mill pond park that is still used today as kind of a centerpiece for the town. And that's where we got the name of Sawmill Ridge. In addition to the natural beauty at Sawmill Ridge, we provide a gated entrance, paved roads, you have electrical power to the properties, fiber optic high-speed internet is available. Sawmill Ridge enjoys a prime location in the heart of the hill country. We're 5 minutes from San Saba, 20 minutes from Llano, an hour from Fredericksburg or Marble Falls, and also an hour from award-winning golf at Horseshoe Bay on Lake LBJ, 45 minutes to Lake Buchanan. You're also less than an hour from Inks Lake State Park, Longhorn Caverns, and you're right in the middle of the Highland Lakes area. Austin is an easy 90-minute drive, and San Antonio is just 2 hours away. So you really have a multitude of opportunities for shopping, recreation, for all types of activities. Another great benefit to owning a Sawmill Ridge is that we do have an ag valuation in place for the property taxes. We are going to maintain that by having a herd of exotic black buck antelope, possibly some scimitar horned oryx, some really cool animals that can just roam around out here and give you a break on your taxes and give you some beautiful animals to look at out your back porch. One of the benefits of doing business with national land partners and Lone Star land partners is that you get the peace of mind of knowing that we've been doing this for over 50 years. We look at hundreds of properties for every one that we actually decide to turn into a community. So we do all the legwork for you up front. You know the property is going to be developed correctly, that the work is going to be done right, and that it'll be a beautiful place to call home for years to come. Also at Sawmill Ridge, there's no pressure. You can buy now and build when you're ready. You can use any builder that you would like. Once you've purchased your land and built your home, we don't just disappear. We're a phone call away, so we'll be here to help with any issues that come up down the road. We like to make it feel like you're part of the family at Lone Star Land Partners. On average, over 30% of our business is referral business, so that speaks volumes not only for the properties that we select to develop, but for the experience that the customers have with our company. As beautiful as this is, it's even prettier in person. Come out and see for yourself. With excellent financing available, owning in the Texas Hill Country has never been easier or more affordable. So if Sawmill Ridge sounds like your kind of place, give us a call today at 877-333-8780 or go to sawmillridgetx.com. We'd love to help you find your home in the heart of the hill country.